Everybody, welcome back to Drug Talk. My name is Garrett Campbell. In today's video, we're going to be doing a more simplified version of a video that we covered in the past on Buspirone. And we're starting right now. Just keep in mind that this channel is for information purposes only. So to start this presentation, we'll discuss what this medication is used for, and Buspirone treats anxiety. We'll now discuss how to use this medication. So first off, your doctor will tell you how much of this medication to take and how often. Do not take more medication or take it more often than your doctor tells you. You may take this medication with or without food, but take it at the same time each day. You may need to take this medication for 1 or 2 weeks before you feel better. And what happens if you miss a dose? So take a dose as soon as you remember, but if it is almost time for your next dose, then wait until then and take a regular dose. Do not take extra medication to make up for a missed dose. We'll now discuss some warnings associated with Buspirone. So tell your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have kidney or liver disease. Do not stop using this medication suddenly without asking your doctor, because you may need to slowly decrease your dose before stopping it completely. This medication may make you drowsy, or dizzy, or lightheaded, so do not drive or do anything that could be dangerous until you know how the medication affects you. On this slide here, we're going to discuss some side effects, and these particular side effects, when compared to the next slide, you would want to let your doctor know right away. So if you have a fast or pounding heartbeat, numbness or tingling feeling, tremors or shaking. Now these side effects, you would just want to let your physician know at your next appointment, or you could even discuss it with your pharmacist when you're picking up your next prescription. So that could be drowsiness or weakness, dry mouth, feeling restless or nervous or trouble sleeping, you have a headache, nausea, constipation, or upset stomach. Alright everybody, this is all we're going to talk about today with Buspirone. As always, I'm very thankful you took the time to come by and watch one of my videos. If you found the information valuable and you'd like to help grow this channel, remember you can like the videos, share the videos, most importantly subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's also some links in the description you can check out as well. So for today, take care.